All right, folks. I wanted to do the brainstorming activity in a way that's both brainstorming and also provides the potential for organization. So I've been kind of playing around with something called Lucidchart, trying to think how we could use Lucidchart in a way that works for everybody, because I don't want to overwhelm people with technology, but I also would like to use a tool that can help us organize so that we don't have to manually do it later. And I think I have a solution. Okay, now we have a blank, empty chart, but what we do have down here is something that says import data, and that's what we want to use. So in class, what you're going to use is this template to do your brainstorming. These rows will stay exactly the same. What you're going to do for your brainstorming is you're going to say, oh, corruption was a problem. You're going to put that in 2 rows, in 2 columns. Don't worry about why, it just is. And then you're going to write down in this field the examples of where corruption was a cause for collapse. And then you're going to identify whether it was an economic, political, or environmental or social cause for collapse. All right, so that's how the brainstorming works. This is an Excel spreadsheet. We have to save it as a CSV file, and then we go here. And then we go to import data. And then we go import from CSV file. And then we choose our collapse graph. And you don't have to do this with class. You can do this after class. This is fine. You can do it, it'll take literally this long. And then we just generate the organizational chart. Okay, so it looks super messy, right? It's okay. We can fix that. Everything is highlighted right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to say we want all of our fields to be 150 pixels wide. And bam. And then we're going to close that. And way over here, there's this little eye thing. And we're going to say, could you please clean up that layout for us? And we're going to close that. And now what we have are these beautiful organizational charts. But I think that's a pretty good way to give a nice graphic organizer for causes for collapse with examples, causes for enduring societies with examples, in a way that is not going to disrupt the actual learning thinking process in class.